Is your Model 3 refusing to charge? Let's diagnose the issue quickly. First, identify where you're charging: at home, a supercharger station, or a third-party charging station. Common causes for charging issues include software glitches, faulty cables or adapters, extreme temperatures, or problems with the power source. Software updates are often the key to fixing charging issues. Ensure your Tesla is running the latest software version. Check for updates on your vehicle's touchscreen or through the Tesla app. Here's how to check for updates. First, tap the car icon on the touchscreen. Then go to Software and select Software Update. Finally, install any available updates. Start with simple fixes applicable to any location. Restart the vehicle, check cable connections, or try charging at a different location. These quick troubleshooting steps should help get your Tesla Model 3 charging again. First, visually inspect your wall connector and charging cable for any damage. Check for frayed insulation, exposed wires, or physical wear that could prevent proper charging. Next, check your home's electrical panel for any tripped circuit breakers. A tripped breaker can prevent power from reaching the wall connector. Use the Tesla app to reset your wall connector and check for any error messages. Look for issues like charge port locked, which can result from misalignment or debris in the charging port. If you see debris in the charging port, carefully clean it to ensure proper connection. The Tesla Wall Connector V3 features auto diagnosis that sends alerts via the Tesla app for issues like faulty adapters or power outages. Finally, ensure your home electrical system provides adequate voltage. 240 volts is optimal for Tesla home charging. Use a multimeter to check if needed. Supercharger issues often stem from network connectivity or vehicle authentication failures. If you're getting a charging station unavailable error, try a different supercharger stall. Use the Tesla app to report the issue. The app provides details for supercharger locations and options for reporting problems. A widespread supercharger outage in the U.S. Midwest in July 2025 caused authentication failed errors due to a server-side glitch. Tesla deployed an emergency update within hours, restoring service. Ensure your vehicle software is up to date, as this often resolves supercharger-related problems. The Tesla app shows available updates. Superchargers are located across the US and Canada, marked on maps. In the event of network issues, Tesla typically deploys emergency updates quickly. When your Tesla Model 3 fails to charge, the Tesla app displays specific error codes that provide clues about the problem. These error messages appear in your Tesla app, clearly indicating what's wrong with the charging process. Error codes are designed to help identify the root cause, whether it's a power issue, hardware fault, or software glitch. For example, error 1-10 often indicates power-related problems. To understand what each code means, consult your Tesla owner's manual or online resources for detailed explanations. Always isolate variables to pinpoint the issue. Try different cables, adapters, or charging locations. Specific troubleshooting steps include trying a different charging cable, testing at another charging station, or checking for debris in the charging port. If using a supercharger, ensure the station is functioning properly and your vehicle is authenticated. Take time to understand your error codes. They provide valuable information to resolve charging issues efficiently. Software glitches can cause false charging errors in your Tesla Model 3. These issues often stem from outdated firmware or temporary system conflicts. These glitches can prevent charging even when everything appears normal. The battery management system might misinterpret data, leading to unnecessary shutdowns. Tesla's over-the-air software updates are the first line of defense against charging problems. These updates include improved battery management system diagnostics that reduce false error alerts. Always install updates promptly through the Tesla app. For persistent issues, try a soft reset. Park your Model 3, then hold down both scroll wheel buttons on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black and restarts with the Tesla logo. This clears temporary software conflicts without affecting your data. For advanced users facing severe issues, a battery management system reset may be needed. This involves disconnecting and reconnecting the high-voltage battery, but it requires professional knowledge and should only be attempted by qualified technicians to avoid safety risks or damage. Prevention is key. Regular software updates can prevent up to 60% of charging errors. Tesla's V12 software release in late 2025 specifically addressed persistent charging issues by enhancing battery management system diagnostics and significantly reducing false charging alerts. Extreme temperatures significantly affect Tesla Model 3 battery performance and charging speeds. In cold weather, the battery can become sluggish, leading to preconditioning failures that result in much slower charging times. To address this, use the Tesla app to preheat the battery before connecting to a charger. This warms the battery cells to optimal temperature, ensuring efficient charging. A 2025 Tesla-sponsored study in Norway demonstrated that preheating reduced cold weather charging errors by 80%, allowing for much faster and more reliable charging sessions. In hot weather, excessive heat can also harm battery performance. Always park in the shade and avoid direct sunlight exposure to prevent the battery from overheating during charging. The battery management system includes built-in safeguards that will prevent charging if the battery temperature is too high or too low, protecting the cells from damage. This is why preconditioning the battery is always the best practice. It maintains optimal temperature for both charging efficiency and long-term battery health. While Tesla encourages using its Supercharger network, you might use third-party chargers with adapters. Be cautious with unauthorized adapters. A 2024 lawsuit involved charging port damage errors from a non-Tesla adapter. Tesla settled the case, illustrating risks of unauthorized accessories and Tesla's push for ecosystem exclusivity. Emerging problems include compatibility with third-party chargers in regions adopting CCS2 standards, leading to occasional charging-interrupted errors. Tesla is moving towards software-centric fixes and bidirectional charging, V2G. This allows vehicles to not only charge from the grid, but also return power back, supporting vehicle-to-grid, vehicle-to-vehicle, and vehicle-to-load applications. By 2028, Tesla aims for 100% software diagnosable issues, integrating AI-driven predictive maintenance. This means most problems can be identified and fixed remotely through app updates, reducing the need for physical service. Battery chemistry advancements, like the new 4680 cells, promise faster charging with fewer errors. These larger cells improve energy density and thermal stability, leading to quicker charge times and better reliability. Challenges include regulatory pressures for universal CCS charging standards. As more regions adopt CCS2, Tesla may need to adapt its proprietary plugs, potentially causing transitional compatibility issues during the shift. Overall, charging reliability is expected to improve, driven by supercharger expansions and enhanced diagnostics. The network continues to grow rapidly, providing more coverage and reducing charging downtime. By 2027, 90% of charging issues will be resolved remotely, reducing service center visits by 40%. This shift to over-the-air fixes will make Tesla charging more convenient and reliable for owners.